Email Management 101. Create email templates. As a virtual assistant, email template is a mess because it saves you time. Therefore, it increases productivity. It also reduces the margin of error and creates brand consistency. So here's how to create email templates. First is to go to settings, see all settings, click on advanced, and you'll see the templates here. Click enable. Okay. Then save changes. Okay. Now you can create new email. So click on compose. Okay. So if you have signatures set up, you can delete the signature first and you can start creating your template. So for example, okay, okay, something like that. Okay, so once you've created the templates and um, you have your subject here, you can now save it. Look at the three dots below for more options, and then click on templates, save draft as templates. So since this is our first template, so save as a new template and create a template name. So you can use the subject of your email as a template name. So save. Okay, so once you're done, it is here now in draft. So once you're done, you can see the draft here with your template. So you can now compose new message and then click on the three dots, templates, and you can click on the template that you've saved. And here you go. You can now see um, the template that we've saved. You can now edit the name of client or whatever you want edit, whatever details you want to change, and then you can send the email. Okay, so you can create different kinds of templates according to your needs. Then you can choose. For example, let's have template number 2. Okay, so save again, same procedure. So three dots, templates, and save draft as template. So save as a new template and save. Okay. So once you create a new email, you can choose which one you want to use here. That's it. Thank you, and I hope we've learned something today. Hit like if you do and subscribe. Thank you.